Introducing the pickup. Ford opens order books for striking all-new Ranger 2023. Ford is opening the order books for the stunning all-new Ranger pickup, introducing the smartest, most capable and most versatile Ranger ever to European customers. Ford announces pricing for the most popular versions of the all-new Ranger, Europe's best-selling pickup truck. All-new Ranger is the smartest, most capable and versatile ever, with bold design, cutting-edge connectivity and vehicle tech, and new powertrains including Ford's 3.0-liter V6 diesel. Order books open for desirable Wildtrak and limited models for delivery in early 2023. Both follow unique, premium, high-performance Ranger Raptor model to European showrooms. The launch of the popular Wildtrak and limited models signals the arrival of the top-selling Ranger derivatives, and follows the earlier availability of the exclusive Ford performance-developed all-new Ranger Raptor, which represents the pinnacle of the Ranger lineup. All-new Ranger has been redesigned from the ground up to help customers do more and work smarter, and features a bold exterior design, new powertrain and driveline technologies including Ford's 3.0-liter V6 diesel engine, upgraded chassis and suspension, enhanced cargo area, plus an inviting high-tech interior offering advanced connectivity and driver assistance technologies. The premium Ranger Wildtrak and high-specification Ranger Limited are offered in double-cab body style, with customer deliveries expected to start from early 2023. Ranger has become an icon in Europe with a new generation of customers who passionately believe that it's the pickup, said Hans Skep, General Manager, Ford Pro, Europe. Ranger was already Europe's go-to pickup, but we have used our global expertise in delivering must-have trucks for customers around the world to design and engineer a whole new level of ability into this exciting all-new model. The all-new Ranger Wildtrak delivers exceptional capabilities by offering Ford's 3.0-liter turbodiesel V6 engine to Ranger customers for the first time. Delivering 240 horsepower and 600 Newton-meters of torque through a 10-speed automatic transmission, this powertrain allows easy towing up to 3,500 kilograms. Optimal turbocharger performance and fuel economy are also offered through Ford's proven 2.0-liter EcoBlue diesel engine. Both the Ranger Limited and Ranger Wildtrak can be specified with Ford's 170 horsepower single turbo, 2.0-liter EcoBlue with a 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic, or a 205 horsepower bi-turbo 2.0-liter EcoBlue with an automatic transmission. 10-level movement. All-new Ranger also delivers standard advanced technologies for a refined, intuitive, engaging driving and user experience, in addition to greater off-road capability than ever before. 6 selectable drive modes complement a chassis that is engineered for improved approach angles, off-road articulation, and ride quality on and off-road. Normal, eco, slippery, mud/ruts, sand, and for automatic transmissions. Tow haul modes adjust parameters including power delivery, traction control, electronic stability control and gear shift patterns to optimize performance for a variety of driving scenarios. On- and off-road capability can be further optimized according to the customer's needs with a choice of two four-wheel drive systems, an electronic shift-on-the-fly system, or an advanced new full-time four-wheel drive system with a reassuring set-and-forget mode, which is standard on Ranger Wildtrak models specified with a 3.0-liter V6 diesel engine. Drivers can monitor and control many vehicle features using a largest-in-class 12.4-inch digital cluster that replaces traditional analog instruments, and the 12-inch central touchscreen that also supports Ford's sophisticated SYNC-4A infotainment system. Advanced driver assistance technologies include pre-collision assist, lane keeping system, and reverse brake assist, in addition to first-in-segment technologies such as blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert and trailer coverage. Using the Ford Pass smartphone app, owners and operators can remotely view real-time vehicle status and health alerts, and control features including the segment first zone lighting system, which can selectively illuminate the area surrounding the pickup, ideal for camping or when packing up site equipment. Ranger Wildtrak external features include standard roof rails for easier load carrying and enhanced underbody protection for off-road adventures. Inside, the premium Wildtrak interior includes leather seats with micro-rib tuxedo accents and without fabric inserts to make cleaning easier, a heated sports steering wheel with contrast stitching, ambient lighting, and an ebony headliner. Wildtrak customers are also offered the series' unique option of cyber orange body paint, in addition to the agate black metallic, blue lightning, carbonized gray, diffused silver, frozen white, lucid red, arctic white, and moondust silver colors available for both Wildtrak and limited variants. Ranger Limited also features a luxurious specification as standard, including a heated steering wheel trimmed in Ford's Sensico material, Soho leather seats with Apex-style embossing, and a soft-touch vinyl console,